So here's the Vac-In. It has a flush mounted metal door here, and in a 2x4 wall it does actually stick out further than the stud, so that's why there's no drywall on the back here. And it's just hide-a-hose type fittings, but all that's included in the kit are $4.90, so it has to go from there to there, even though you could use other fittings.
What's that?
And this opens to reveal your hose handle. As well as a pocket, a tube that goes down the wall to store a wand. And you can also fit a floor tool in here in this same little cabinet. And now we have an inlet valve, we have a gate valve, and there is actually a clean out up here. So this is where the hose came out of. This is your clean out that if you wanted to remove a blockage, you could just pull that and access it. The hose has, it's like a sock, but not a sock. It's more like the skin on an old Electrolux hose, and it has a really nice pattern on it. The material would be more easy to clean than a standard hose sock, and it would have the same benefit of protecting the corners. Now this retractable end, even though it doesn't have the locator tab, it does have a double contact setup so that you could take this and use it in a standard inlet, and the switch will activate the low voltage circuit if you have it in the right way. So you can use this to any other wall inlet in the house, but in the box itself, you can put it in here. This is just a vacuum valve ES style inlet, and you can use the switch on the end, and that's really how you're supposed to use it. But then you're supposed to activate the gate valve just to store the hose away when you're done. And now that that's put away, we can close the gate valve, and now that's sealed off so the rest of the system has pressure. And the door has a nice magnetic closure.